Just let me sleep. I'm still tired. Why won't you just shut up and let me sleep? I can't believe you ruined my nap time. Actually, you know what? Since you won't shut up, how about I could just get rid of you? Wait, no, not that. Or I could just unplug it. There, now it's unplugged, so it doesn't have to ring once and for all. Now I can get to sleep. What the? How? Dude, I swear it's off. I swear it's literally off. You see the screen? It's literally off. So it's literally off. It's literally unplugged. How come it ring if it's not even on? That makes zero sense. Like, absolute zero sense. But I swear, if this stupid alarm clock keeps making... That's it. I'm gonna smash it on the ground so it doesn't ring again. There. I think it's broken. What? You gotta be kidding me! There. That should do it. Yeah, I think it's off. What? It's still making its noise? What should I do? What should I do? What should I do with this stupid alarm clock? Wait, I know. How about I can just try to punch it with my fist? Like this. Please go off. Please go off. What? It's still making its noise? Oh, come on! Why won't you shut up? Damn it! I need to think of another way. Why won't you just shut up? You know what? I think I will smash the crowbar. Yeah. Why won't you just shut up? Please. What? I don't understand how to keep making its noise. I guess the crowbar didn't work. Wait, how about I just flush it down the toilet? Yeah. Or I could just drop in the toilet and see if it goes. I think it should work. Now my work is done. Time to go back to sleep. What? Wait. How? It literally has water in it, and it causes electricity or whatever. Why won't you shut up? You're so annoying, and you ruin my beauty sleep. I just want to go back to sleep. I'm tired, and today's been boring. Today's been boring, and so is all day. Wait. I could just drop it far on the ground, and it will stop. Alright. Here it goes. Bah! I had enough of you. I'ma throw this dumb, annoying alarm clock across the window and it can shine everywhere and it'll stop making this stupid noise. You ruined my day and I have no choice to say but time to say goodbye. What was that noise coming from? Wait, Knuckles, what are you doing? Oh, hey Sonic, what's up? How you been? Don't just what's up me. Why are you making all that noise? You know Shadow's trying to sleep, right? Shadow? Oh, I didn't know that. And what's with that alarm clock in your hand? What you see, Sonic? When I was trying to sleep, it won't stop making noise from trying to wake me up because I was kind of tired to wake up. I just want more sleep. So I'm trying to stop this from making noises. I'm trying to smack it, or I'm not trying to break it, but I'm just trying to make it stop without breaking it. So, yeah. Okay, but you just need a alarm clock to wake up on time because you never wake up on time. Well, I do sometimes, but not all the time. I mean, sometimes. Just sometimes. Okay. If you wanna make it stop, just remove the batteries. Remove the batteries? Okay. Where should I remove the batteries, Sonic? On the bottom right there. So, there. Oh. Okay. Thanks, Sonic. Sonic, they're too hard to remove them. You just gotta keep rolling them. Oh. Come on, why don't you come off? Come on, I know I'm really strong. I can't do it. No, I think I can do it. Just use a pen. There. I don't know what to say. Of course you don't. Well, anyways, I'm gonna head back to sleep because I don't know what to do today, so yeah. But it's literally daytime. I know it's daytime, but it's called taking a nap, Sonic. So please, close the door on your way out. I'm trying to sleep. Okay, I'll see you later, Nux.